Now another way to pour is for even bigger pieces would be to pour on a banding wheel. So pour the inside. Bring it around. Out. Lip. Let that dry. This is kind of a funny thing. This is used for changing oil in your car. I like it because the banding wheel doesn't sit down inside the glaze. You could put the banding wheel up on something in any bucket. I want to glaze the outside of this bowl. Now I've got a little bit of run there, so I can take that off now. Again, you don't want to sponge it because it'll saturate the clay with the water. I'm going to glaze the outside with the same glaze, so it doesn't really matter if I clean it up super well. You see how the iron kind of smears? That's fine. Now I want to put this on the wheel and get it raised up just a little bit so the rim isn't touching. You could do this on the potter's wheel too. So I've already pre-waxed the foot. And you center. Get your glaze ready. Remember, stir before you use it. Now I'm going to get this spinning. And as it's spinning, I'm going to pour. Start the pour slowly. There. The rim has a lot of extra glaze on it. Take your finger and just run it along the bottom edge there. If you get any on the foot, sponge it off. Spot there. And this is also good for a runny glaze because what you're doing is the majority of the glaze is going to be down here. It'll be thinner where you started the pour. So just leave it alone, let it dry. Big part of this whole process, the whole process, is patience. That's why I like to have several things going at the same time. Make sure everything's covered with glaze. There's a little lump there. Wait till it dries. And while you're waiting for things to dry, you can clean up. So, again, the materials don't eat them, but they won't hurt you. What you want to avoid is the dust. So when you're scraping, always wear a mask. Do it outside. Do it over some water. If you're sanding, same thing. And remember, the glaze is going to make it smooth and glossy. You don't need to have that surface be absolutely perfect because the glaze is going to take care of it for you. So, thank you.